Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing a major legal development in the United States involving the Supreme Court of the United States and the controversial issue of conversion therapy. The court has decided to support a legal challenge against a state law that bans conversion therapy for minors. This decision could have significant implications for LGBTQ rights, free speech, and medical regulations across the country. Let's break down what this means. What is conversion therapy? Conversion therapy is a practice that claims to change a person's sexual orientation or gender identity. Many medical and psychological organizations, including the American Psychological Association, say there is no scientific evidence that conversion therapy works. They also warn that it can cause serious psychological harm. Because of these concerns, several U.S. states have passed laws banning licensed therapists from offering conversion therapy to minors. The Supreme Court decision. Recently, the U.S. Supreme Court agreed to hear a challenge to one of these bans. The challenge argues that such bans violate therapists' free speech rights under the U.S. Constitution. Supporters of the challenge say therapists should have the right to discuss certain topics with their clients. However, supporters of the ban argue that the laws are necessary to protect young people from harmful and discredited practices. By agreeing to hear the case, the Supreme Court could potentially reshape how states regulate therapy practices. This case is expected to have nationwide impact. If the Supreme Court rules against the bans, it could weaken or overturn similar laws in multiple states. On the other hand, if the bans are upheld, states would likely keep the authority to regulate therapy practices involving minors. Legal experts say the decision could also influence future debates about free speech and medical regulations in the U.S. For now, the Supreme Court has only agreed to review the challenge. The final ruling will likely come later after full arguments are heard. But one thing is clear, this case could become one of the most closely watched legal battles involving LGBTQ rights and healthcare regulations in the U.S. What do you think about this issue? Should states be able to ban conversion therapy, or should therapists have broader speech rights? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more global news updates.